Hi, I'm John. We created Cruises with Friends to help you coordinate your sailings with people you know. A question we regularly see is, can I connect my Nintendo Switch to the cruise ship's Wi-Fi network? The quick answer is no, but there are some tricks that will get you online. In this video, we will explain to you why you cannot connect to the ship's network, and then we'll show you how to get online anyway. If you've tried to connect to the cruise ship's Wi-Fi from your Nintendo Switch, you will probably have noticed that you cannot connect. This is probably because you're required to log in once you have connected to the Wi-Fi network, and the Switch will not load the login screen and the device fails to connect. The way to connect your Switch to the Wi-Fi network and internet is to set up your own Wi-Fi hotspot. You can do this using a travel Wi-Fi router, an Android smartphone, or a Windows-based computer. On our recent sailing, we set up a Wi-Fi hotspot on our laptop and connected the laptop to the ship's Wi-Fi network. We then connected the Switch to our hotspot and it worked perfectly. We'll start by showing you how to set up a mobile hotspot on your Windows PC. So start by clicking the Start button and then type in Mobile Hotspot and then select Mobile Hotspot. Next you will click Edit in the Properties section and you will edit the network information. So you will give the hotspot a name and a password. And finally toggle Mobile Hotspot to turn it on. Next we'll look at setting up a Wi-Fi hotspot on your Android phone. You'll start by logging on to the ship's Wi-Fi network and logging into your internet account. You will then click the search icon in the top right of your screen. Start typing the word hotspot and select hotspot name from the list. You will then give the hotspot a name, a password, and finally you will toggle use Wi-Fi hotspot to enable your hotspot. And we'll finish off with the portable travel router. So we use the TP-Link AC750. But there are a number of similar devices on the market, so find the one that suits you. With the device, you should have received an info card with the SSID for the device, as well as the password to log in. You will find these details on the back of the device as well. When you are ready to use the router, plug it into a power source to boot it up. After a short while, you should be able to find the router from your PC or your phone, and you can configure it to connect to the ship's Wi-Fi network. Once you've connected to the router, open your web browser and navigate to the router's setting page. This will usually be 192.168.0.1. You will use the password from the info card or the back of the router to log in and start the configuration. We recommend using the quick setup because it allows you to get up and running quickly. Click Next and then select Dynamic IP and then click Next. You will now see the Wi-Fi networks that the router can see. So you want to select the guest Wi-Fi network for the ship. When we made this video, we were not on a ship, so what you're seeing are the networks that are available here at home. Next, you can configure the Wi-Fi settings for your router. So you can change the SSID or the name of the network for your router, and you can also change the passwords. Once you're done with that, click Next, and finally click Finish to save the settings. You are now ready to connect to the ship's Wi-Fi network through the router. You will need to go through the login process in the same way as you would do if you were connecting directly to the network. We have only tried to connect the ship's Wi-Fi network on Royal Caribbean ships. We have not tried on ships from other cruise lines, but we would expect to face the same problems with other lines. The workaround should be the same. We have not tested any other portable devices that are similar to the Nintendo Switch, but we would expect these devices to have the same problems as the Switch. If you haven't already done so, why not check out the Cruises with Friends website and smartphone apps? Cruises with Friends is a service that we developed to allow us to connect with friends and share which sailings we are on. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.